everybody, it's Tony back again with another video for you. I got my Stihl MS461 here with aftermarket starter assembly and cheap piston and cylinder. I'll leave a timestamp if you guys just want to skip to the video that's all running, but it's not running too bad for the money I got invested into it. That's all I pieced together. But running this thing, the same bar and chain from yesterday's video. The 28-inch bar with a Stihl 33 RS full house chain. So we'll see how it does in this piece of pinhook back there. But there's video of the cylinder and the port work on my channel if you guys are interested. So I already warmed it up off camera.